사랑한 그것만큼만 keep it up, keep it. 어떤 말로 표현할 수 있을까? 어떤 마음으로 널 전할 수 있을까? 멀리 가진 않겠지만 우린 다 벌써.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is yet again another wash day, but today I'm going to be doing a wash day with rice water. I made a recent video outlining how the Ya women create their traditional rice water and how you guys can make it yourself. If you'd like to watch that video, it is on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. So I've been fermenting this rice water for about a month now, and this is what I'm going to be doing to do my protein treatment today. So yeah, I'm just going to hop into the shower and show you guys how I do that. That's not bad. That's not bad. So here I'm just using my strainer to pour my rice water into my bowl because this is what I'm going to be carrying into the shower. So first I'm going to start by detangling my hair. It's just 2 braids, so I can easily do that while standing in the shower. Now I can begin to wet my hair. I usually do it with warm water, which basically helps my hair to absorb product more easily. Next, I'm gonna use my shampoo just to cleanse my hair before I even think of using my rice water. As you can see, I'm applying it to the roots. The little nozzle helps to apply it better to my scalp, and then I'm just using my fingers to help spread the soap and clean my scalp. Now I'm just washing the soap out of my hair. This is the first rinse completed, and now I can move on to the second shampooing. So I'm going to shampoo my hair again just to make sure my hair is extra clean, and I'm virtually using the same technique to clean my scalp again, except I'm making extra effort to massage my scalp at the same time. After massaging and shampooing my hair, I can now move on to rinsing my hair yet again. Since my hair is now clean, I can move on to conditioning my hair before the rice water. This is the I Am Rosemary conditioner, and I actually like it, so this is what I'm going to use to help soften and detangle my hair. As you guys can see here, I'm making extra effort to carefully detangle my hair because I don't want to do it in a rough way and then cause breakage unnecessarily. Since I'm done coating my hair with conditioner, I can now go in and thoroughly detangle my hair in smaller sections. For this, I'm using my tangle teaser to first comb through my hair, and then afterwards I'll put my hair into a twist just so that it won't unravel or knot up again. And of course, I will repeat these steps for the entirety of my hair. So that's an entire half of my head that is detangled, and I'm just going to clean my hairbrush because when too much hair is inside the hairbrush, it makes it a lot harder to detangle my hair. So yeah, in the future guys, when you're detangling your hair, make sure there's not too much hair on your comb or your brush. Okay, so I'm all done with conditioning. My conditioner is completely finished in 2 uses. That's the only thing I don't like about it. There was just too little in that bottle. But otherwise, the conditioner from this line is pretty good. Here I'm just cleaning my brush again whilst I leave the conditioner in my hair for a while. Finally, I'm done conditioning my hair, so I'm just rinsing it out right now. And now it's time for the rice water protein treatment. So my method of doing this is that I kept the container of rice water below my head. That is to prevent the rice water from wasting or entering into the drains. I used my hands to apply the rice water to my head and scalp for about 20 minutes, and then afterwards I poured the rice water onto my hair. I also rinsed my hair with water afterwards because you can only leave the rice water in your hair for about 20 minutes. Then I decided to use my Aussie Moist hair mask. Curly hair girls or natural hair girls especially need to use a moisturizing hair mask after a protein treatment because protein treatments can make your hair very dry and brittle, so it's good to restore that moisture to your hair. I'm also using a oil while doing my hair mask just for the added benefits of nourishment and helping to hopefully retain moisture better. After I finished deep conditioning my hair, I went ahead and rinsed my hair off camera. So now all there's left to do is to moisturize my hair. Okay, so my hair is now looking and feeling dry, so I'm gonna start by spraying it with my rosemary water. I ensure to spray it on both my hair strands and onto my scalp. And then I follow up with the rosemary oil. So for the rosemary oil, I apply it with my fingertips onto my scalp, and then I also apply it onto my hair strands. I use the LOC method, so that's liquid, oil, and then a cream. And afterwards, I'll just apply the Mielle leave-in conditioner onto my hair. I like using I like using a generous amount of leave-in conditioner just to help moisturize my hair properly and prevent it from getting dry too quickly. And then afterwards, I put that section of hair into a large twist just to prevent it from tangling or whatever. And then I repeat the process for all the other sections of my hair. So this is the end of my wash day. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Deuces!